Hi everybody, it's Robyn here. Today I want to show you some cool and creative ways of how we can set up the most ergonomic workstation for those of you working at home. So as you can see, I've got a variety of random bits that I've found around the house, and I want to show you how we can best utilize them. Now there's 3 keys to setting the best setup possible. Number 1 would be stacking. Stacking is going to be really important so you get the right angles and the right height. I'm going to be showing you a standing desk version, but you can apply this to sitting as well. The second key would be ideally you have a keyboard and a mouse if you're going to be using a laptop. And the third thing is to be really creative, okay? You've got to think outside of the box of what kind of things you can use, rummage around the house, and then you'll have the best setup possible. So I know most of you are thinking it's going to be a pain in the neck to set this up every day for work. But I'm really hoping that if you can have a good setup, you'll save yourself from having neck, shoulder, and back pain in the long term. All right, well, come check out some of these ideas, and I hope they work for you.